Hey guys, today we're swapping out the sway bar end links on a 2015 Toyota Sienna. You've got two nuts, the top one there and then that one there at the bottom. Once you get that out and you get this other one put on, you can throw the bottom nut on there, and then once you do that, you're going to notice that up top it doesn't quite line up. So what you might want to do is probably get a bottle jack or another jack of some sort and put it underneath the front lower control arm. With the bottle jack in place, you can jack up the lower control arm, which will raise that tab for the in link, and once it lines up, go ahead and push it through. Once that's on there, you can throw your nuts on and tighten them up. I believe the torque specs are 55 foot-pounds. I almost forgot to mention, when you're trying to get that in link broken loose, you may or may not have enough leverage up top, but there's a hole in the control arm there, and you can come up through the bottom of that with your ratchet or, box end wrench, whatever suits you, and it gives you a little more leverage from down below to be able to break that loose. So yeah, anyway.